So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you convert your Python file into an executable file, that is exe file. For that what you have to do is just simply firstly open your VS Code. So this is my file which I will be converting into an exe file. See, this video is more specifically for GUI based files, that is like PyQt or Tinker based files. So now what you have to do is I will just do one thing. Firstly, I will show you the creation of virtual environment. If you know what and how virtual environment is created, then you can skip this. Okay, so it will create my virtual environment. This will take some seconds. Till then you can see that this is the code for my you can say simple calculator. I want to convert this into an application. 9 divided by 3 equals 3.0. Okay, so this is my GUI based calculator, and you can see that our virtual environment is successfully created. Now what we have to do is just simply click here and then terminal, new terminal. You will see a pop-up that your virtual environment is successfully activated. Now what you have to do is just simply install this module, web install auto py to exe This will install your required module. I will jump to the part where we have installed this. So it is installed now. Now what you have to do is just simply call this module auto py to exe Yeah, this one. This will open your new window in your browser. Okay, so now what you have to do is just simply open your file. This is the main.py file which you have just created. Now select one file here and Windows based file here, and then convert it to exe. It will take some seconds, so I will skip this, you can say, processing. So yeah, it is done now. Now if you have a antivirus installed on your computer, then this will give some error. I will show you what's that error and how to fix that. Firstly, you have to open your output folder, and then what you have to do is just wait for a second. Since I have McAfee installed on my computer, that's why I will click this file, and this will be quarantined by McAfee. You can see this. This is quarantined by McAfee now. Now what I have to do is just simply click here and go in my McAfee, and I have to move this in the safe list of apps, you can see. Done. And then you have to go here and then my production and then quarantined items, and you will see this file. You have to restore this, and then what you have to do is just simply click on this again and then real-time scanning, and then you have to add the file here. Just simply click add file and you will see this. Just simply add this here, open, and that's it. Now you can open your calculator which we have created in our video, and you can see this 9 divided by 3 equal 3.0 again. Since this is an application, that means it is an exe file. So you can see that our Python code is converted into an application, a GUI based application more specifically. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.